Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Saturday and we're starting off with this one. $14.04, 33 minutes. I know what some of you are thinking. The kilometers are high. The mileage is too high. Why are you taking the order? I debated, but it is just off the highway and this is going to be pure highway miles. When it's pure highway miles, I take it because it's just going to be really quick. It's not going to take too much wear and tear on my car and I'm going to pick it up. And you know what? This could be more. Uber's been playing a lot of games. I'm going to talk about that after I drop this off. You want to stay tuned because I got receipts.
Awesome.
Hi, Uber Eats for Xavian. Yes. Awesome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. That order was dropped off, but get this, the base pay, $14.04. So the entire amount was all base pay. I had an inclination that was going to happen. I was talking to another driver in there who got that order at $9, $11, and then obviously I got mine at $14. He declined both of them, so I knew it was a low or no tip offer. I wasn't getting more than $14. Sometimes I go out and I don't film. So this Sunday morning, I was just going out for an hour or two, trying to make a quick buck, call it a day, and that's it. I got this offer early in the morning, just before 9 o'clock. It was $8.40 for about 20 minutes. So you know what? I took it, I grabbed it. Then when it came in, I got $9.53. Nothing special happened. It was a quick pickup, quick drop off, nothing, but I got an extra tip. Quite possibly that customer could have given me another tip. You never know. But it could be something else. And my feeling is it could be something else and Uber's playing games again. But 2 orders later, I got this one, $6 for 11 minutes. That's amazing. I took it. It was another easy one, so why not? Nothing special happened on that one either, but then it went $7.75. 2 orders in the morning that are both going to give me additional tips. I have a feeling Uber downplays the tips just in case customer cancels or something happens. They don't have to give me that full amount. If I complain, if there's a tip bait situation, they don't have to give me the full amount. Otherwise, they're going to give me the full amount. I'm not sure what's going on. I'll take more money. I'm not going to complain about it. I've been doing this for over 4 years. This is rare that it happens, and it happens too within an hour. Does not make any sense. So Uber, why are you playing games? Why are you messing with our money? I've been documenting this the last few weeks. There's a lot going on where you're not showing us the full amount. You're hiding tips. You're not hiding tips. We know for years you've been capping tips at $8, and now it's coming at all different times. We can't make heads or tails over what's going on. Uber, stop doing this. Stop the bullshit. Just let us know what we're going to make so we can carry on. Stop covering your ass. Comment down below if you've seen this as a trend in your market. Let the night continue and let's grab this one. $8.03 for 23 minutes. After I accepted it, they gave me this one as well. An additional $6.10 for 16 minutes. Let's go grab both of them and we're grabbing some wings again. Hi, Uber Eats for Leanna. Awesome, thanks again.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, Uber Eats for Sienna. 7C8DF? Sure, thank you. Sure.
Would you like to have a wait order?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Is that for Sienna? Sienna? Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. How you doing? Doing well, thanks. Got your wings for you.
Liana?
Perfect. Thank you.
For Liana?
Yes, Leanna.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So both of those orders are dropped off and I got this one, $5, 14 minutes. You know what? If it's ready, it's gonna be well under 10. It really is just around the corner. Let's go grab it. Hi.
Hey.
Uber Eats for Jasmine?
Give me a couple minutes, I'll go.
Yeah, sounds good, thanks. Is it all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
3 bags for you, Brendan.
Okay.
There you go, everything's
Perfect. Yep, great, thank you.
Try out there, eh?
Yeah, I will, thanks. How you doing? I got 3 bags for you.
3? Okay.
So I'll give you the first one here.
How are your day?
Hoping to stay dry, but other than that, doing well. Thank you. How about you?
It's still going, so you know.
Yeah, well, you got wings now, so you're better than me.
Yeah, right.
Take care.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks. Seems like all Uber wants to do is give me these short, quick ones. So I took it. $4, 11 minutes. I know most of you are saying I'm not taking $4 and $5 orders, but my philosophy is if I can get it done in under 10, it's a quick buck. I'd rather take the order than sit and not make money. This one potentially could be done in under 5. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Carl? Of course you can. Great, thank you. So I spent the last 10-15 minutes just declining. Uber's just been giving me really crappy offers and even timed me out, so I wasn't sure when I was going to get another offer. But then I got this one, $8.60, 14 minutes. I'm delivering to a hotel. Not the biggest fan of hotels, but this is really close. It says 14 minutes. I'm sure if it's ready, it's under 10. But it's Taco Bell, so that's even suspect. Let's hope it's ready and it all goes smooth. Hi, Uber Eats for Pamela. How long? 5? Yeah, sure.
Pamela?
Pamela, yes. I think there's a drink with it as well.
One iced tea latte.
Yeah. Hi, delivery for Pamela. Give you your drink. There's your dinner. Thank you. Enjoy. So true to form, Taco Bell was Taco Bell, and I should have known better than to take the order when it said Taco Bell. It was probably 8 minutes at the most, so really can't complain too much about it, but I really wanted to get it done, get it quick, and be done. I took this one, $9.46 for 22 minutes. You know what? Not too bad. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats 2582. Yeah. Oh, it just went away.
It's okay. Yeah, that one.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Bye. Hi, Uber Eats for Jess.
Please grab a can of ginger ale from the
Ginger ale. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Perfect. Throw that in. Thank you. Wonderful. Have a good night. Thank you. Appreciate it. We got another good one and a quick one. $9.06, 13 minutes. If it's ready, fingers crossed it's ready. I know I've said that earlier tonight, but if it's ready, then it's going to be done in under 10, and we're going to be over $60 at the 3-hour mark. Hi, Uber Eats for Leah.
Yeah, once it's ready, I'll just bring people.
Sounds good.
How you doing?
Good. Is that for Leah?
It is, sir.
Oh, wonderful.
Leah, right?
Liah.
Yes.
I think it's Leah. Yes.
Right, yeah.
Appreciate it. Have a good night.
Good night.
So that's going to bring my night to a close. Ended with $64.29 for only 3 hours. I thought on a Saturday it was going to be amazing. I went out last Thursday. I'm going to go out for an hour, pick up $20, $30. I stayed out for 3 hours and made over $75. It was amazing. I would have recorded it if I had known I would have had such a great night. The plan was never to stay out that long. The plan tonight was to stay out this long and to make more money. It's $64 more in my pocket, over $20 an hour. I'm going to take it. It's getting dark. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.